Hello everyone, welcome back to Relax Your Dog. Everyone loves cute pictures of puppies. It's quite apparent that puppies are lovable animals, with all of them being beautiful in their way, while some are more lovely than the rest. Wondering who the cutest puppies are? Continue watch to know a little more about the 10 cutest puppy breeds in 2020 and put yourself in the position of being able to make the right puppy choice. Here we go. So on number 10 is Dalmatian. When it comes to listing the cutest puppy breeds, this breed can't be ignored in any credible list. The Dalmatian is among the first breed of dog a lot of us knew via the famous Disney movie One Not One Dalmatian. There has been an increased demand for Dalmatians by the children from their parents, and it is understandable. What distinguishes them from other puppies, make them part of the cutest puppy is their distinct spots. On number 9 is Samoyed. This breed has a look similar to creatures from fairy tale and is one such dog with a look that one can dream about. Puppies from the Samoyed breeds have enormous head, which makes them interesting to cuddle. They look very much like small balls. They are sweet dogs and make good friends. The day when they were used in pulling sleds are long gone. On number 8 is Saint Bernard. Some dogs owners find the size of an adult Saint Bernard to be a discouraging factor in keeping them around. However, there are others with the necessary space and environment to have them around. These people most time have sufficient space for the puppy to play and run around. While these dogs may scare people not used to the adult form of Saint Bernard, they are usually incapable of hurting anyone and are quite fun to be with. So on number 7 is Dachshund. This breed has its critics and admirers, but no one can deny their beauty. They are usually distinct and their puppy form is not as elongated as the adult version until they grow in age. Whoever says he or she does not love a Dachshund is likely to have missed them as a puppy. On number 6 is Beagle, one of the most adorable and popular breeds in the world. A Beagle is a member of the Saint-Hound family. The name Beagle has been derived from the French word beagle, meaning deep thought. English Beagles are small, compact, and extremely healthy, a breed and make wonderful companions and family dogs. One of the most famous Beagle has been Charles M. Schulz. This puppy gives dog owner the comfort of two worlds by being cute and brilliant. It's hard to look into a Beagle's eyes and not go weak on your knees. These dogs are always ready to sacrifice everything to please their owners. It's quite impossible to say no to be a Beagle puppy. So, on number 5 is the Golden Retriever. Due to their super sweet personalities, serious smarts, and adorable toothy grins, Golden Retrievers are a hugely popular breed in the United States. In fact, Golden Retrievers have snagged the third spot for most popular dogs in the United States for the several years. These pooches are on the larger side. Female range between 55 and 70 pounds, while males weight in between 65 and 70 pounds and requires lot of exercise, which makes some families shy away. But don't let their size or high energy deter you. Golden Retrievers are highly intelligent, easy to train compared to other breeds of dogs, and incredibly friendly. Most popular probably got to know the Golden Retriever breed before the other breeds because of the role of Kermit in the popular sitcom Full House. They are a lovable puppy breed because of their fluffy fur, portable size, and fresh faces. Their clumsy nature further endears them to people as you get to have a good laugh while watching them fumble around. So number 4 is the Pomeranian. This dog often appears like one straight out of a Cartoon Network, which makes it almost too elegant to be true. Some people can believe its level of beauty is too much for its small frame. Also, this cuteness is maintained until they mature. Only a few things can kill the cuteness of a Pomeranian puppy. They rank as one of the cutest animals ever created, and few can rival them as a fitting gift for your younger ones. So on top 3 is the Sharpei. The Sharpei is a dog breed from southern China. Traditionally kept for dog fighting, the Sharpei was driven to the point of extinction in the 20th century. The breed is known in the West for its deep wrinkles, whilst a traditional less wrinkled form is maintained in Hong Kong. Due to its distinct look, the Sharpei is often listed as one of the cutest breeds around. The adult form is cute, but the puppy Sharpei is more than adorable. Their gorgeous looks has given them a lot of positive popularity. The Sharpei is a short-coated, medium-sized breed of dog, renowned for its excessively wrinkled skin. The breed resembles many dog breeds from the Mastiff family. However, it is most closely related to Spitz breeds, with the Chow Chow being its close relative. This is most clearly seen with the two breeds both possessing unique blue-black tongues. These dogs fall with the same genetic group as the Chow Chow, the Akita, and the Shiba Inu. So, on top 2 is the Jack Russell Terrier. Developed in England some 200 years ago to hunt foxes, the Jack Russell Terrier, also known as the Parson Russell Terrier, is a lively, independent, and clever little dog. They are charming and affectionate, but they are also a handful to train and manage for experienced dog parents only. Although these are purebred dogs, you may still find them in shelters and rescues. The Jack Russell Terrier breed is a fantastic choice for those who have a decision to make about buying puppies. They can stay in a small house without chasing any trouble. They are always happy and affectionate, which makes them one of the most lovable breed around today. A purchase of a young Jack Russell Terrier is an opportunity to have a best friend and a great companion. Are you excited to know who is the cutest puppy in the world in 2020? So, the wait is over, let's dive in. On number 1 is the Pug. The Pug is often described as a lot of dog in a small space. These sturdy compact dogs are a part of the American Kennels Club's toy group and are known as the clowns of the canine world because they have a great sense of humor and like to show off. Originally bred to be lap dogs, Pugs thrive on human companionship. They are highly sensitive, and though they can make for great apartment pets, they will not appreciate being left alone for long hours of the day. Although these pugs have a stubborn side, especially when it comes to house training, they are playful, affectionate dogs who will get along well even with novice pet parents. Everyone is going crazy for this dog, and who would blame them? That little face of theirs is so cool. The icing on the cake is their ability to retain their exceptional cuteness into their adult form. This is why they are today the world's most coveted puppy breed, especially for those who value a small dog as a companion instead of a toy dog. So folks, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Till then, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any other video of our channel Relax Your Dog. Take care.